honestly, we're trying to keep up with it. Works so well and efficiently that the job's easy. You know, get in, get out.
The 16-inch string trimmer delivers more power than gas. At the end of the day, I don't have a headache from any of the emissions.
With the power that it has, it's quicker. Slap a battery and just press the trigger and you're good.
With all the battery-powered equipment from Milwaukee, all you have to do is grab a battery and go. So you're using one battery for all your tools on your job site.
The weight distribution is fantastic.
With the lighter weight and the better run times, our guys can focus more on details of the job.
Quiet and light, but at the end of the day, and you feel not so tired about it because it saves you a lot of time.
I don't have to sit there, crank in, fill it with gas, mess with the choke. I can just grab it, put it full blast right away. It's a lot faster than the gas one.
There's no desire to go back to gas. I'm over the headaches. The ease and the comfort of the Milwaukee string trimmers is far superior and my choice all day long.